and we want to see break on 666, break on 666, and then want to break on 671. We do not have an error at this point. Then let's break at 688 and break at 679. Let's see what's happening. It does have, and I am an idiot. It should be failing because I did not implement the functionality. I am so lucky. Okay. Back to topic. I first want to implement the check, and then if it fails, I want to check if we're in strict mode or not. So first of all, let's check whether the sender nonce and the recipient nonce, sender nonce, local out, recipient nonce, nonce lang. And first of all, I need to take a look whether this is this needs to be extracted somewhere, right? Question is where. It is extracted, I hope. I've got no idea where. Here it is. So the field is required. I know that, and I know that this has failed if it wasn't present. I thought about we need to check whether this is actually present or not. So now, if how did I check for flags? So we do it right. This is how we check for flags. So this is how we do it here. And we call this flag this way. So skip log. So yeah, we say that recipient nonce and sender nonce don't match, but were required by flag, and then we can say the error is an invalid parameter, and we can drop out. Now we can also issue warning. I'm not sure, I think it's called warn. And I can say the same thing here. Don't match. So we issue a warning here because we are sane. And I think this would be a good idea. Which also means it just implemented a functionality I haven't yet tested. But hey, now I would have expected it to work. but did I just do something dumb? Maybe I did do something not so clever. No. No. This is very clever of me. Because I'm a clever guy, right. Okay, let's take a look at the actual values. Out center nonce. So these are totally different. So what's going on here? Is it that I didn't set the flag correctly? Let's see if 691 break 691. See, we don't hit it. Why do we not hit it? We hit that one. Let us see what happens if we execute this by hand. $197. This is why I'm an idiot. One failure. No, wait. Right, I know why this is happening. Because I now have my test and... Yes! Yes, finally. This looks like what we wanted. And... can happily put that right here. Then we can take this, dump it onto this, and dump it onto this. And we do not want to set this flag. And we want it to be okay. So it is okay until the point where it hits this assertion, and now we need to think about how we check for a warning. And I'm not sure I've ever done that with my own logging functions, but if I did, I probably did here. Or yeah, I likely did here. There we go. We can retrieve a string from our log bio. So we are setting up a log somewhere. And we can just hack ourselves to it. This would be here. Scep log is it called. And we can get it here and use what we can learn from here. So we can take this bio and get a string out. Bio get s scep log. Does it say log string? I will just create one that is large enough. Log string 4K should be more than enough. 1069. Then I will string equals log string nothing. So at this point, this test should not fail anymore. Assertion 0 failed. Don't have this anymore anywhere. I'm just editing the wrong file. And now I need to take this out as well. Assertion 0 failed. Yes, that's okay. Because now we'll just make sure that this is already. I should probably set the log level to warn to make sure no debug messages clutter up my precious, and it's already set to error, so this is also a bad idea. Warn. This is likely a really bad idea. It's probably